Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take apart a Browning BT-100. Pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty quick, so let's just get right into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is this clip right here. Just put your finger right in there, pull it back, the forearm will just come right off. Next, I go up here to the lever to break the barrel open, just push it. The barrel just come right off. And then if you want to take the trigger out too, flip it over. There's this little triangle right there. Push that. It can come out a little hard sometimes, so it might take a little pushing and wiggling. But just pull it out and it pops out. And that's your full disassembly that fast. Alright, now let's let it reassemble it. It's pretty much just as easy. So just take your stock and your trigger, put the trigger in. You got to put this side in first, the front first, because there's that little lip there. Put that in. Push the trigger in. You hear a click and that little triangle there will pop in. And then grab your barrel. You gotta have it kind of like angled like that so you can get it in. And then just pop it right in. The lever will lock in. Then grab your forearm. Just put it down, angled again like that. And just hear a click, and that's all back together. That's simple.